Hello, it's Sebastian Danicic here. What I want to do now is give you a little bit of help with your coursework, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bubble sort and make a graph of it and have a look and see what happens. So let's try and write a Java program for bubble sort. So here we go, here's our new file. Let's make that a bit bigger. Class bubble. Let's have static void bubble sort. And it takes an array. Let's make it an array of integers called a, and size, and let's call that n. Let's call it n because that's the amount of the array that we're going to sort. So we've got this array and we're going to sort it using bubble sort. So begin the thing, end the thing. Right, so how do we do a bubble sort? Well, we need nested for loops for int I equals 0, I less than n minus 1, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Then inside that we want another for loop, but this time it's for j equals I plus 1, I plus 1, but this time we go up to n, and we've got to add 1 to j. So the j is always ahead of the I. So what we want to do, if a, what should we do it in ascending order? So therefore we want the if ai is greater than aj, that means we want to swap. We want to swap. So how do we swap? Well, we have an int temp, an int temp equals ai. So we put, so now we can, ai becomes aj, and then we aj becomes temp. So we've now swapped ai and aj. So that's my bubble sort method. I need to put an open curly bracket there, so let's indent this all a bit, and the closing one here. See if that compiles. Go away, you stupid update manager, interfering with my programming. So if I javac bubble, it compiles. So now I need to test out my program. So so let's have a static int capital A equals new int. So how many should we put in our array? A million? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got a million elements in our array. So let's have an initialize function. So what I want is a function, a method which sticks some values into my array called A, capital A up there. Static int, there's something wrong there, static int, the array is called capital A there, that's right. So static void, let's call it init, and we won't give it any parameters, and we'll just have a for loop. So where's a for loop? There we are. Nick that one from up there. To let's make it 1,000,000. I equals 0, I less than 1,000,000. 1, 2, 3. So we want to put, because we're sorting in ascending order. I know, let's make it sort in descending order instead, so I just have to change that sign to that way around. So now what I can do is I can just say AI becomes I. AI becomes I. So now so into the ith element of my array I'm putting the value I, so my array is going to go 0 up to 999,999. And when I'm sorting in descending order, so it's the worst possible sort I have to do. So now I need my main program to my main method, so I can run that. Public static void main string args. So what do we need to do? Well, we need to be able to print out our array, don't we? So let's just have something to print the first 10 elements of it. So that's going to have the same heading as that. So if I call that print, so now open, close. So I need it's going to be like this, exactly the same as this sort of thing. So I want to print, so I'm going to go up to n, not to I only print the first n elements of it. So I'm going to say system.out.println AI. So now I could use that to print out my array. So let's see if it compiles. Yeah, it does. So let's write the main thing. So first we're going to init the array. Then we're going to let's bubble sort the first 10 elements of it. So we're going to say bubble sort the array that we're going to sort is A, and we're going to do the first 10 elements of it, so like that. And then we're going to print the first elements of our array. So print we could print it before we sort it as well, so we can see what's happened. So we're printing it out, we're sorting it, and then we're printing it out again. So we should get them. First we should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we should get the same thing again, but in the opposite order. So let's save that. And now let's run it. Say Java bubble. Exception in thread main, index out of bounds. So the problem is in bubble line 11. So let's find line 11. If AI is greater than AJ, so we're comparing blah-de-blah with things that aren't there's a little mistake here. They should say J is less than N, shouldn't it? So here we go. Let's compile it again. So here we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then so then it sorts it and then it prints it out, and as you can see it's in the opposite order. If we wanted to do the first 100, we just change this to 100. Okay, and we recompile that. So first it prints them out in the order that they started off with, up to 99, and then it sorts them. I forgot to change that, so it's only sorted the first. It's only sorted the first 10 of them, so we wanted to sort the first 100. So I have to remember to do that as well. So now we see that it's printed them out, going from 0 to 99. Strange, what's happened here? 70, it's lower to 80. Looks like there's a bug in my program. It goes 0 up to 9. 0 up to 99, 98, 97, 98, 99. Oh no, that's fine, then it's coming back down again. That's good. So now what we want to do is we want to time it. So the next video will show you how to time it.